Hello my loves, I'm reviewing the Scarlet nail drill from Melodysusie. Firstly, apologies for that wire.
Oh, come on.
Really sorry, forgot it was in frame. Okay, so they sent me this selection of amazing bits for the E-file. I'm just going to be using this one and possibly this one, but I ended up just sticking with the first one. They're absolutely beautiful. They've got a rainbow effect on them. So I'm going to be using these. These are a medium bits. They're not even coarse, actually. And we're going to be removing my nails. So let's get it out the box. Again, I know you've already seen it. If you haven't seen my PR unboxing video, I will link it in the description box. It comes with full instructions on how to set it up safely, how to use it safely, problem solving, how to take care of your e-files so that you don't encounter problems, which is really useful. This is the base unit. It's got a rotating dial, little tiny holes for your e-file bits, which I think is really good. This is a desk mounted e-file, so it's not portable. On the back, we have the foot pedal power lead, the handpiece, the power cable, and the forward and reverse switch. So they all plug into the back, which goes, you know, on your desk. This is the handpiece. It's absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice, not too heavy. The safety bit is in there already. You plug the handpiece in here. Now, please make sure there is an arrow on the handpiece attachment to show you which way round. This is a foot pedal. I don't normally use a foot pedal, so it's an added extra, I suppose. That goes in here. Lovely, and the power cable in there. I'm going to set it up and show you what it looks like on my desk. So this is it on my desk. There's my e-file. There's my dust extractor. Now look how long this lead is. So it's going right the way across my desk from one side almost to the other. Excuse the snotty tissue, still got a bunged up nose. So it really does have a long wire for that handpiece. This is the dial that rotates according to how powerful you want it. It goes up to 30,000 RPM. On and off switch. All that shebang. So I've set it up here very clumsily and I'm going to test it out on my nails. I thought, wow, I can feel it then. I can feel if it's hot, I can feel how it works. So I've taken out the safety bit and I'm I'm putting in that medium, I can't remember the name of it, bit. Oh my God. Okay, so that's locked into place. So I've started it off on full power and I was like, oh my days. Firstly, it was incredibly quiet. I have got a clip in a minute showing the noise level. It was incredibly quiet and incredibly powerful. Like, wow. I was kind of impressed with this. I couldn't actually believe it. So I found it incredibly powerful. I ended up turning the power down a bit because I thought, do I really need it up on full whack? My other e-file, which is the Femme Fatale one, portable one, I have to have on full whack, and it does. I've been moaning about it for a while. It does take a while to remove anything. This is really good. In fact, I've got a brief clip coming up of the sound as well, so you can hear it on full whack. There is the noise from my dust collector and a fan on in the room, but I think you'll know which is which. There is no vibration in the handpiece, no discomfort whatsoever. So let me roll this clip. Hang on, here it comes. So the last part of that clip was on a lower setting as well, still very quiet. The handpiece got a little bit warm when it was on the highest setting, but not like nothing happened. It was really good and I was really surprised at how quick it removed the product. It's a nice light handpiece with no vibration, so it's not going to be uncomfortable to use. And yeah, I couldn't really get over because I didn't think it would be any more powerful than the one I've got because it's the same RPM. And then I realised it's to do with the torque in the handpiece and how well it works. And yeah, I was really impressed. Really impressed. I'll show you a clip of me using it on my index finger as well, so that you can just see like another fresh acrylic nail and how it works. I turned the speed up and I thought, right, I'm going to go for it. And look at that. So there is a design on top of pigment, on top of coloured acrylic, and it's gone through the top coat, the design and the pigment straight away. So that's like 3 layers of top coat and gel design with pigment in sandwiched in between. It just ate through it. There was no discomfort. It's obviously going to be easier for me when I'm using it on other people, and you'll probably see me work a lot more with it. Shush, Milo, the dog's whining at me. So rather than me continue to remove all my nails really uncomfortably and twisting my hands, I just thought I'd run through showing you a couple of nails and then talk about it a little bit more briefly. All in all, this is incredibly good value for money. I'll leave the links in the description box below. I think it's around £50 or £55, which is a bargain. That's less than I paid for my other Efile, and this is way more powerful. So it's gorgeous as well. It's good looking and it sits really sturdy on the desk. I didn't have it moving around or getting in my way because that handpiece lead is nice and long. For me, it's a thumbs up. I think it's really good. I'll put the links in the description box. Check it out and see what you think. Tally bye!